Hey girl, why this make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though? Girl,
they know about.
Come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back. If you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue.
Welcome to another exciting episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host Michaela Leeanna, and the location for this week is Papine Square in Kingston. Stay tuned for the next half an hour for the latest in entertainment and lifestyle. Your Pree Dis journey starts right now. It was a fierce battle, but in the end there could only be one winner. We have highlights from the Vintage Rumble in New York.
One more say enough thing me personally do to have music here. For nothing, we don't have no money. But build a Jews and empire and bust enough youth. Since there are two of me play in most of the world, Black Scorpio label. Running in the big guy.
Here it is, everyone. Watch out. I have never heard a sound place so heavy and so clear with a sweet tone of melody. They don't know how to hear.
But we don't listen. We are kill some wicked and we don't mercy. Head on the front, so you are your right foot.
Have a little boy, her name, 6 kilo and Bodyguard just call the name twice.
Whoa, whoa, now we gonna keep on playing. Ooh, it's been a long time, someone be trying to stop me, but no way, no way. Nothing that they do. Nothing that they play can keep the Downbeat down. I hear some songs say that Downbeat was born to be down.
In them, Black Scorpio. In them, cause we no just got hurt. Banga the hand of all of them.
When they come to the top of it.
When some of them rude people, newcomer on the run.
Remember, this original 41 by 1.
Good, you know him.
Leave my temporary business and mind your own. Hey, leave my crown alone. Leave crown business on your own.
What's in the days of being? We are going to focus on one day.
Lord mercy.
Black Scorpio sound in the champion. Black Scorpio sound in the number 1. Everywhere we play, we just keep and jump and got the sound of veteran. We got to keep us on one, we got to keep us on one tonight. Keep us on one, we got to keep us on one tonight. Keep us on one, we got to keep us on one. In the Amazuru, we kill them dead. Don't beat your dead. Scorpio dead. Bodyguard dead. Fibre and don't play it in the head.
Alright, because we're not ready, so we're not playing a 45. We don't know how them come up here and say play 45 for big sound, 5, big sound in the competition, and when I'm play 45, so don't play.
When you take the lead, that's all you can maintain. We'll get like the silver arms out. Silver arms. Speed just be a long distance runner. Someone over the time is.
When it comes to Silver, it's about music. You understand what I mean? And trust me, it's proven tonight that you know, I have to give me respect to Downbeat, the ruler, because the man they night from the 60s, you know, so, you know, playing some studio first, because it's most studio one on Channel 1 rhythm and play, and it was great. I mean, I tell you the truth, can't take nothing from him because I love the vibes, and, you know what I mean, we do our best still, you know what I mean, but I guess our best wasn't good enough, because you know a sound clash, you know, you understand? So when it comes to sound clash, anything can happen, but to just prove to the people that, you know, Silver is always stand tall.
Well, it was very experienced night, you know, and when the flyer come out, you know, everybody say, yo, we don't belong there. But we reach night tune for tune, so we show the world, said, age no matter, and it's like music, straight, we love it, straight. Enough respect to all the elders, you know, all the foundation people set that thing, enough respect.
It was kind of important for we to be united as the new generation, so you know we can connect and you know keep on circulating this music to the next generation, you know, keep on going and going. So you know, yeah, man.
In Vintage Rumble, I realize you guys are very consistent. What's the key to consistency for you guys?
Teamwork, man. Like teamwork. Like each rounds we'll go together, we'll pick out which tune, and we have to read the crowd properly. Because sometimes you play some songs and they don't want to hear it. You have to just read the crowd and watch other people playing. And they just pick together and put teamwork and say, yo, we're going to do this and do it together. And
love it. I love the Vintage Rumble. You know what I mean? I don't mind play them clash all the while because it show a lot of class. You know what I mean? I deal if you really find a man and tell a man on the mic about them mother or them woman or, you know what I mean? It's just music. A man may use a few profanity, but at the end of the day, at a circle, we don't really use them things there. We make the music use it. You understand? So if the music tell a man about him mother, so let it be. But a straight music and selection, Silver deal it. So at a circle, we enjoy ourselves and we have great fun.
Them still I remember we are the line of the business, and this is a good one. What this one do is carry all over the world or all over the country if we make it continue. But it's a legacy one not for the people that love to get something like this. I mean, put it this way. Give thanks to Downbeat as a winner, but at the end of the day, I feel all of us are winners. For something like this really make we know, say, boy, some of this work I do from 1968 until now, I pay off.
Really glad to see the turnout that the people come out and come witness history. I think I really deserve it for the work that I put in the business. And the people just seems to start recognize me that it's a real sound. You know, Downbeat is a real sound. And respect to my two youth them, where I'm bringing them wicked, and them will take the word, and tonight they've been at the spotlight, and I feel so good, because I always was looking for the right youth them to run the thing, and them youth have it.
To me, the sound them play good. I surprised to see Silver drop out, I don't know why, but I love it. Downbeat play good. Mighty Crown them young, me never think them should have in the clash. But them do a good job for some young youth. Them hold it. Me love it. It's nice.
I think it was an excellent first attempt. It is something that highlights the era, the golden era of sound system culture, where some of the veterans who paid that huge contribution to what we live off of now get a chance to touch the stage and be the stars for the night, and get to take you back into time with some of the big gladiator tunes that they helped to make popular. So I think it was a great thing tonight.
I think the sounds had fun on stage. What do you think about that?
The sounds had fun on stage. There was no quarreling, no cussing on stage. Somebody might have threw a song at someone else, and after their round was over, they all stood backstage and laughed and had a great time. It's camaraderie that we don't see in the industry anymore. Like today's sound system culture is almost like going to like war, you know what I mean? And when I say going to war, I mean not physically, but you see where there's like a separation all night because things get so intense. I personally enjoy it better this way, and I think that the fans enjoy the entertainment better this way when the participants are not taking it as seriously and they're not as divided. I think we have now just discovered another annual event that can continue to grow and probably tour from New York and go other places. Vintage Rumble is strictly about keeping the concept of vintage songs alive in dancehall, you know what I mean? You know, a lot, and you know what? Today there was a lot of sound men here in the audience, and a lot of them came just to hear them song there, know what to go to the studio tomorrow and cut, you know, so it is something that is needed, and again, it highlights the old-time contributors which the industry is not shining a light on.
Now it's time for our first commercial break. When we get back, it's all about the talent on the rise and our new music video.